Hello, Dipperfox friends. If you are stuck with the stumps, now we can show you the full chain, how to remove the long trees, stumps, debris. You can perform now all the tasks and leave the ground well maintained. Today we used a tree crane to cut down the trees, then Dipperfox stump grinder removed the stumps, vacuum trailer cleared the sawdust and the debris, and Avant mulcher cleared the ground from the leftovers and from the debris. Those attachments complement each other, because if you look them separately, they are all very nice and clever machines. But the math 1 + 1 + 1 doesn't equal 4. It is more than 5. The users will benefit most from that setup. Now we have the chain that can support the whole process, how to remove the hazardous trees and how to leave the situation in the way that everything is ready for the restoration of the land and for lawn mowering in the next season. The arborists, landscapers and the people who are performing those tasks, they at the moment face the biggest challenge that they need for each job a different person. And as we all know, the salaries and the cost for the manpower are rising and there is a shortage of people. Now those machines can allow for the users to perform those tasks with a very few people. We have gathered here in the urban area next to the historic castle all our machines, and as you can see, it is possible to perform those hazardous tasks in the safe manner without the need to block the streets or keep the crowd very far distance. This setup allows you to perform those tasks even next to the heavy traffic.